Hi there, students. To demean, or the adjective demeaning. Okay, if something demeans you, it causes a loss of your dignity. It causes you to lose respect. Or you can demean yourself by doing something that is below your dignity, that is something that would cause you to lose status, lose reputation. So I've noticed in political elections, very often the various candidates spend the whole campaign demeaning each other. Or you could demean the seriousness of somebody's argument. Something that's demeaning, it means that it's something that is demeaning to you. It damages your character, it damages your reputation. So the work was dirty and demeaning. Although, let's see, I don't think any job is demeaning. Because we all have to, there are always things that need to be done. And it doesn't mean that any one job is better than another. Okay, so to demean somebody, to cause somebody to become less respected. You could demean somebody by insulting them in public. Or maybe the pride of the family was demeaned by his behaviour. I wouldn't demean myself by begging for money in the town square, to degrade oneself, to disgrace oneself, to cause myself to become less respected. Okay, it was demeaning to be asked to leave from the party. Okay, so to demean, to lower in status, to lower in category, to humble. So a professional who felt demeaned by unskilled work. If it's the only job available, then work is work. Notice, this word to demean has another meaning. Maybe you know the word demeanour, somebody's demeanour, the way they behave, the way they conduct themselves. Well, to demean, there's an old-fashioned meaning, to the way that somebody behaves. So he demeaned himself well in class, he behaved well in class. Although I think that's probably a bit old-fashioned, that's related to this word demeanour. But to demean, to demean yourself, to do something which makes people have less respect for you. I think maybe lying demeans you. If you're caught lying, that would be a very demeaning situation. Okay, so this makes people have less respect. Perhaps pornography demeans the people taking part in it. Okay, so to degrade, to debase, to lower, to abase, to humble, a demeaning situation. Don't demean yourself by telling such obvious lies. Don't demean yourself by cheating in the examination. Don't demean yourself by doing dishonourable things. Don't demean yourself by being lazy and not doing your part, not pulling your weight. Okay, so to demean, to make something look less, to make something lose reputation or respect. I found it demeaning to have to do this, but it was probably necessary. This is a demeaning ritual which is something that should be forbidden. A demeaning experience. Yeah, it's something that makes you less. It makes you less important. It lowers your reputation. It debases your dignity. It's disgraceful. Yeah, it humbles you. Perhaps it mortifies you. Okay, so to demean. I wasn't going to demean myself by answering a ridiculous question like that. To humiliate yourself, to humble yourself, to abase yourself. And this is the idea of to demean, to abase, to degrade, to humble, to humiliate, to cheapen, to degrade, to downgrade. So, what about some origin and formality? Well, demean. Let's see, de, away from, and mean, germane, meaning mean or common. So yeah, it's from this. Demean is from Old English. So and formality, to demeaning. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To demeaning.